If you're using one of these Garmin units as a GPS in your vehicle, you may want to mount it to a windshield instead of one of the other types of mounting systems. This blast case suction cup mount is my favorite. One, because it's designed specifically for the Garmin's, and it does clip right onto their cases. It's got the strong suction cup mount with quick release. But my favorite feature is that the ball and socket joint here doesn't need to be tightened. It has a metal compression ring there that is plenty stiff or constrictive enough to hold the GPS unit in whatever direction it might need to be. And it is a good, powerful, strong suction cup. So it works great on the windshield and is nice and sturdy. So I think that's the best accessory you could ask for your Garmin GPS unit. Hope that helps.